Hi guys, today we talk about Honor 200 Pro. It's launched on May 2024. The dimensions of Honor 200 Pro: height 6.45 inches, width 2.95 inches, thickness 8.1 mm. The weight is 192 gram and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of this device is it's come with OLED 1 billion color screen type and the screen size is 6.78 inches with 91.2% screen to body ratio and the resolution is 1.5K. Refresh rate is 120Hz with 5000 nits peak of brightness and the protection is Shorhino glass. The platform of Honor 200 Pro it's come with Android 14 operating system and the chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Octa-core Cortex-X4 CPU and Adreno 750 GPU. The memory is 12 plus 16 gigs of RAM and 256, 512 and 1 GB of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. Let's talk about camera. The Honor 200 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and it records 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera is 50 and 2 megapixel and it records 4K 30 fps video with selfie camera. The battery of Honor 200 Pro it comes with 5000 mAh battery and 100 watt wired charging with 66 watt wireless charging and it supports 5 watt reverse wired and reverse wireless charging. The common and the feature of this mobile it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP67 dust water resistant. And the price of Honor 200 Pro is $550.